What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it's looking as though, things are still just ranging. Slowly grinding to the downside, highly mirroring Bitcoin's price action right now. There is a high correlation between the price action of Verasity and Bitcoin, but we can see we are, potentially, as we said before, looking as though we might be getting the breakout and the backtest of this resistance that we did see. We've seen it here. We obviously got a little bit of a fake out breakout in this area here where we did see the breakout, but we actually fell back inside the resistance again. But you can see here we actually did come down over the past few days. We retested the bottom again of this support here, looking like we came up. We found a bit of resistance, but we actually broke out, and looking as though we have back tested here, come back up again, broke out. We've got the clean breakout now of this resistance that we have seen on the hourly time frame. And realistically, we really want to see this retested as support and coming up and breaking this resistance here at this 3.5 cent level. If we can get above that and get headed back up towards this 0.78 extension of the Fibonacci, we could be coming up to around that 3.7 cent level there, basically breaking out of the downtrend that we've been in. So you can see exactly what's been happening really. We've just been going down and down and down and down and down, making lower highs the whole time. And realistically, you want to see yourself coming up here and making at least a similar high, so we could come back down, back test, find support, and then make a higher low and reverse the trend. Do you see what I mean? Because obviously, Verasity, it's been quite bearish recently, but it's only because it's been heavily correlated to the market. And this is a crypto that's got so much bullish news going from what we can tell over the next few months. Getting their full integrations into that massive, they're basically the #1 video provider in the world from what we can tell. They haven't revealed it because of the NDAs yet, but it's looking like potentially we could be looking at a YouTube partnership for Verasity or something of that similar caliber, which would be absolutely crazy, obviously, for their proof of view technology, as there has been, a lot of botted views going around for years now. This is a massive problem that we've actually seen personally. People inflating their figures with botted kind of statistics and views and stuff. The use case for Verasity is massive, and it is getting a lot of adoption, not to mention, the sheer amount of utility that it is providing for content creators to monetize their content. This is a huge project. And, in the short term, it's very easy to get caught up in like, oh my God, it's going down. But we really do think Verasity, like $2, $3, $4, $5 over the next 2 or 3 years is very likely, in our opinion, considering, just how much potential this crypto does have to actually get, ubiquitous use in massive industries and massive markets that we see in the world right now, that they are fixing an issue which needs to be resolved. And if they can do it effectively and get the actual adoption, which it looks like they are starting to get, we could be looking at a huge run up for Verasity, in our opinion. So the fundamental is looking incredibly bullish. Obviously the technicals here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, still looking good in our opinion. We did lose this support here that we were looking at, as you can see. We came down here, lost support, so we fell through the floor. We came back down to find a bit of support. It looks like we lost that 0.78, so we came down and we found a bit of support on this previous swing low area here. Getting very overextended here. You can see the clear bullish divergences on the daily time frame here. On the hourly time frame as well, it's pretty obvious that you can see massive bullish divergences on this chart. You can see here as well, if I can draw a straight line, bullish divergences here. Momentum to the downside lessening. Top quality project, looking as though we have got that breakout and the back test of that resistance. So if we can start to come up here and at least make a similar high to this, break that downtrend and start to trend back to the upside, we're going to be looking good. So as we said, short-term price predictions, if we roll over here, we want to see this 3.28 cent support hold here on this previous swing high. But the breakout, the back test like this, and then continuation is what we're looking for. If we fall back inside the pattern, we're going to be right in the apex here at around 3.15 cents. And most likely we'll probably lose this support if that is the case, if we see, you know, another big plunge in the market. But this might only be short-lived because we are getting very overextended to the downside at this point. And then beyond this, as we said, we want to see, you know, Verasity coming up to this 3.7 cent Fibonacci level here. And then obviously beyond, coming up towards that 4 cent mark. That would be an excellent price target right now. Get the back test on the fib and then basically reverse the trend, get the breakout and start picking up to the upside. That would be really good to see. So overall, we said Verasity, you know, it's still a top quality project, still looking, you know, pretty good in our opinion. And as we said, 50 cents to $1 by the end of the bull run. We do think this is very, very achievable. And if we do start to see, you know, massive parabolic runs for Verasity because of these fundamentals, then we could be looking at beyond $1. I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.